Hello, hello. Can y'all hear me? See me? What's going on, guys? What is going on? Oh man, we're actually so ridiculously bearish. It's not even funny. I look-y don't want it to go to our target right now, though. Good morning. How are you guys? How many of y'all are in here? I'm gonna be real. I am extremely bearish on gold. What I was looking for already pretty much happened. I wanted a reaction out of this fair value gap to come take out this London low and Asia low. And that's pretty much like already happening. If we can go back up to re-sweep these highs first before going lower, then I'll take a short pretty much early. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Let me see what NQ's doing. Ooh, NQ, what is this? Yep. This was last night, right? I said it. Once this little gets taken, NQ's gonna flood to hell. This was last night Asia session, right? Yeah. Excuse me. Let's check ES. Oh, there could be a giant SMT here with NQ and ES that could definitely hold. Okay. I'm telling you right now, longs on ES from here is not crazy. It's like not crazy. It's not crazy. Versus on gold, I'm looking to short. Can we get a re-sweep? I doubt we're gonna get a re-sweep, but our trade idea on gold pretty much is playing out. Good morning, Shonen. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. How's your night? Okay, it still works. You're already in buys. You're in buys right now. Eh, this look like a random spot. As to like this is low-key like extremely random. I would wait for buys to like down here and here. But hey though, whatever strategy you're trading, I hope you win. But I will take buys. Like, I mean, let's see what ES is doing. Yeah, like, what low is this? Yeah, we should get a good bullish move today on NQ. We should get like a really nice bullish move today. And then on gold, if London low and Asia low aren't taken, I am looking to short this. I am looking to short this. We could get this 5-minute Timmy. Beautiful. Oh, excuse me. No. I see gold 4432.5. All the way down here, 4432. Yeah, where my targets are. So after it takes out this low, then buys. Yeah, that makes sense. I'm looking to see if I can short up here to come down to this level. And Q's still dumping. I knew it. Yeah, gold looks bearish. Gold is bearish. I'm looking to short. I just hope this isn't like the move for the short. Like, can we get another like sweep? I wouldn't be mad if it doesn't give another sweep though. Like, that's more than enough. There's a sweep here. We came in here, put in a low, put in another high, and then we CISD slash broke structure. There's a 1 hour FEG. You want a reaction from it? All the way up here. It might not go there, brother. You have to read the way the market's moving. It might not go there. It looks like, because yeah, gold is bearish, but technically it's still bullish. This is like just a retracement. Like, this thing's not gonna like flood down here. It's gonna retrace to one of these lows. That's it. It's either gonna react here or react here. Like, it's just retracing. So since we know it's just retracing and not actually bearish, it doesn't have to do this to do this. It could potentially just do this, accumulation on the 1 hour, manipulate lower, and then start distributing higher. Like, overall, we're still bullish. This is just a retracement. This is still definitely bullish structure. But still need London high sweep, right? Yes and no. Okay, let me show you my thoughts. Once y'all start reading the market like what I'm about to show you right now, you start understanding like things much simpler. Let's really take a look at where London high is, where London low is, where Asia low is. Right? London high, accumulated, manipulated, distributed all the way up here. We put in a low, high, lower low, higher high. Then we put in a low, never took out this low, high, lower low, higher high. Sweep, low, high, lower low. We just swept this right now. We could simply, genuinely just come down to take out London low and Asia low. If we take out London session high, then I would actually want it to kind of low-key retrace into this gap. Oh, excuse me. But the reality is we're bearish. We can short from this high, we can short from London high, or we can short from this 1 hour gap. But I'm looking to short gold. So let's see if we can find the best possible entry. Well, we've had a sweep here. Let's see if London high gets taken. Don't be surprised if it doesn't. Don't be surprised if this dumps here. Guys, which firm do y'all mostly trade with? There's 29 of y'all in here. What do y'all mostly trade with? Hey guys, don't be surprised if this like dumps from here. But which firm do y'all mostly trade with? No, not pair. Like, do y'all trade props? Blue Guardian, Apex, that's good. Blue Guardian's good. Lucid right now, that's good. Just curious. Y'all have to, like, if you look on the 3 minute, if this inverses, you have to be willing to take this. Even if London high here hasn't been taken, because this draw here is too obvious. If it wants to take London high first, it'll do it now without inversing this. You have to be okay with seeing if this works. I'll give this a stab if this 3-minute here inverses. I'll test it. But it does have to inverse though. Why? If you look on the 15-minute, also reacting out of this TT indicator zone. It's not bad. No inversion. What about XAU? Is this leaving without me? Are you leaving without me, gold? Don't leave without me. I'm waiting for some type of any pullback at all. Once we get a closure, if we can get a closure like here, like that's good. I'm still not getting in. If we can get a closure and then a pullback into this, because I don't want to get manipulated. Remember, we still have London highs above. So I need to for sure get a confirmation closure. So I'm not chasing anything. Yeah, I think it'll give us a feel. See, like it hasn't even closed. And what if this candle just flips? We're gonna get cooked. Yep. See, gotta wait for the closure. And look, this candle's flipping. Gotta wait for the closure. Always wait for the closure. Always. Only on rare situations you can go without waiting for the closure. See? So now if this really wants to take London highs, let it do it. We're not in a losing trade. We're not in anything yet. No closure, no trade. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? boom. If this respects a 3-minute while disrespecting this 3-minute, that's really good, nice bullish confluence. Remember, guys, I'm looking at this 3-minute here. I want to see if we can get a 3-minute candle closure. Gold isn't really doing nothing. Yeah, it looks a lot like chop. It looks like chop, but we still kind of know what we're looking for. We have a nice sweep. I don't know where this random line came from, but we have a nice sweep here. But we just failed to inverse. Yeah, I'm starting to not like it more and more. Hey, those NQ is shorting to these London lows, and then I do think longs from these London lows might play out. Ugh. Whew. What's ES doing? Yep, and that's a crazy massive SMT. Yeah, gold does look a little bit choppy. But at the end of the day, the trade idea is still valid. Let's see if it'll give us London high instead then. But the trade idea is still valid. We want to take out London lows and Asia lows. So I'm looking to short this New York session. I'm looking to short. What indicator do I use for true day open? It's ICTQ zones and pivots. It's the same indicator. And then it has, where's my true day open setting? True day open. You're welcome, man. Looking to catch the reversal from London high sweep, great. Very good. I think NASDAQ longs from London lows, but do we have like a, yeah, we do. 4-hour FEG here. Yeah, I think NASDAQ longs here. Believe it or not, I know it is extremely, extremely bearish, but this is one of those higher time frame confluences. Like look where ES is. Unless ES wants to dump past these lows. Unless ES wants to dump past these lows, I really do think we're longing here. We have an unfilled 4-hour up above us. Gold is definitely chopping. I don't even get it anymore. I think I'm gonna avoid it for a little bit. It's chopping. Look at NQ. You gotta see how it reacts from here. It's like I might take it. I don't like how long it took gold to inverse this, so I'm just gonna wait because we still do have London highs above us. So if this inverses and the trade plays out, I chose to skip out on it, I guess. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait on gold. I don't like how long it took us to inverse. We might just come take out this low or this low and come right back to stop loss because of how choppy it is. But we'll see though. Let's see if this position would have worked. This is pretty much like the trade idea if you get an inverse. See, it's not even inversing. That's the problem. Choppy, choppy gold. MNQ took the low. Market open in 1 hour. Yeah, so you did an inverse. Bro, I know it sounds crazy, but long in NQ is not horrible. It's just right before market open, so you might just get chopped up and then stopped out. Gold is cooking today? Is it shorting? Yeah, see, I fucking knew it. Took out a low right by true day open, so let's see how it reacts. If we can get a bearish reaction out of this new 3-minute here, if it retraces here, gives a bearish reaction, then you can potentially short it. Oh, gold is cooking us. No, guys, you have to think about it. We always usually have the trade idea, right? We're always usually right about the direction. It's a matter of if gold will leave without us, give us a good entry, manipulate us first. We always kind of know where it's going, and that's the most important thing about trading. Like we know where it wants to go. That is a nice solid close. I definitely need some type of retracement slash reaction before I even attempt this. For real? That's really good. I'm really happy to hear that, man. Truly. Thanks to you, I can form a bias myself now without watching live stream. Yeah. By answering those 3 questions. Where are we at? Where are we going? Where are we coming from? Yeah, if you can answer those 3 questions, you can form a bias on any pair. Oh, repeat what I just said about bias. Give a little sauce. Yes, I'm gonna give y'all some sauce right now. Okay. When you're creating a bias, right? The first thing you always want to ask yourself is, number 1, where are we currently at? It's as simple as like just come in here and ask yourself these questions and answer it how you see it. Where are we currently at? We're in this chop fest. Where are we coming from? Okay, let's go back a few candles. This is a bearish move down. So we're coming from, we had a sweep of internal sweep here, change of character slash break of structure here. If you always want to determine trend, always use this tool. We had a high, had a low, had a higher high, had a lower low, put in a lower low here, lower high here. I'm expecting some type of sweep here first before going a little bit higher. So that answers my second question of where could we go. I think price could go here and here. Once you've determined where are we coming from and where could we go, now your only job is simply finding some type of entry, some type of manipulation, some type of sweep in the direction that you want it to go. So if you start seeing long setups, why are you taking longs when you just determined that you want it to go here and here? It saves you a lot of stress, saves you a lot of problems. So now your only question should be, okay, Are we going to short off of this high? Are we going to short off of London high? Are we going to short? That's when discretion comes in. That's when your entry model comes in. Did we get an inversion? How did the candle close? All that fun stuff. But you know where the market's going to go. And on the 15-minute, this looks like absolute dog shit's chop. But this is the little retracement that we, oopsie, what is this? This is the little retracement that we wanted. I want to see how gold comes and reacts off of this 1 minute sweep here. If we get a 1 minute sweep with an inversion, I'll get into some shorts. Yeah. Okay, how about AMD? There are chances of manipulating up and distributing down, right? Yes, AMD is all of that aligns and comes into play. It's like, what do you notice? I made a video talking about how like ICT is a language and all that fun stuff, right? For example, and today I don't really see much of an AMD unless we use this range here. Boom, big AMD, and then dump. That's the only way I see some type of AMD here. Saved yourself the most unnecessary loss in this chop. It's always so nice to be patient. It's like amazing. This is a nice, much better sweep on NASDAQ. I'm telling you, I think a crazy move's gonna come out of this. I think a crazy move's gonna come out of this on NASDAQ. True day open is simply just when midnight opens, 12 a.m. That's true day open. And the lore behind it is that price usually likes to gravitate towards true day open. So for example, true day open is right where at London session high. I do think we get a long move all the way up there. No joke. Because we're reacting off of a 4-hour. It's like you might have, this might be a top tick entry right here. Nasdaq longs here could cook. Nasdaq longs here can really cook. Uh, 3 minutes should inverse first though. But this is a pre-market trade, so take it with a grain of salt if you want to take this. Yeah, Discord Live is a lot cozier, I agree. Nasdaq longs here could cook. Trading. Trading. Oh, I love it and I hate it. Where's the one-to-one? There's your one-to-one right there. Once you tap the 5 minute, you should go break even. You're using the 4 minute, Carlos? Where's the 4 minute? Yeah, 4 minute inverse here. This play here looks pretty good to me, actually. The only thing I don't like is that market open, but I want to see how high up we will be for market open. I wanted to like inverse this FVG before market open. So when market open comes and we're trading up here, it just dumps to the FVG and continues higher. So we can go break even and all that. But if it's chopping around here before market open, I might have to just close it. Because this is a good sweep, but with market open, it'll just do another one. Like it'll just do another one. It doesn't care. It'll just do another sweep. Yeah, I'm in this. I'm in this, guys. I'm in this. I'm in this right here. And we're getting clapped. Excuse me. Let's see. ES is running. I hope this is not another freaking ES moves and NQ doesn't move, because ES is bullish while NQ is printing bearish candles. And what's gold doing? Gold is shorting. Gold is shorting, so this gold short could still play out. But NQ longs just seem better to me, I can't lie. This move seems a lot better to me. Okay, 2 trades. Pick your poison. Gold shorts, it seems a little choppier. We do have trendline liquidity at your stop loss. But we do have all this low resistance here that I think it'll come take. So pick your poison. Pick your poison. I'm not in this gold, but this could be its breakout to come take out this lows. After entry, NASDAQ did what? Slowed the fuck down. It's going to wait for market open and kick us out. If this doesn't start moving right before market open, I'm going to close it. What's going on, Mike? Yeah, I'm in it too. Ooh, there is a tiny itty bitty 5-minute FVG here. Ooh, is that what's holding us back? Ooh, it definitely is. Oh yeah, we need this inversed. We need that inversed ASAP. Holy shit, why am I so cold? Ooh. Ah. Have the jitters. Oh my goodness, gold is choppy, bro. I'm glad we didn't take gold. Yeah, I took NQ as well. Veronica. I'm in NQ right now. A 1-to-1 is right here. Can hold for more. If we get a 1-to-1 before market open, I'll close like 90% because this trade is before market open. Come on, NQ. I need you to inverse this. Give me 1 second, brothers. I will be back. We have 50 concurrent viewers. Nobody go anywhere. All right, we're back. Oh, 10 seconds to this 5-minute inverses. That's like a okay sign. It won't do much, but it's a good sign. Boom. Okay, 5-minute inverse. Thank you. Let's go, NQ. Keep pumping. So I think gold is bullish after we take London low. My draw was just, no, not London low, Asia low. It has to take Asia low as well. But I don't know if it flips back bullish because it still has, technically this is the ultimate draw. So I don't know if gold will flip back bullish after this. What I do know is that we're going to this low. So if I don't know we're going to be bullish here, I'm just looking to short to where I know that we're going. Can we close above this 3-minute NASDAQ? Pretty please. I took a sell in gold, cooked me and gave TP. I took a buy. You see that means you don't you have. Why would you take? You're taking a sell, thinking the market's gonna go down. It cooked you, and you immediately reverse your position and go buys. That means you didn't have a bias. If you were bearish, you wouldn't reverse your position and go buys, and if you were bullish, you wouldn't take sells. If it cooked you in sells, then gave you a second sell opportunity, then cooked you again, that's different. But you actually was like just revenge trading. Like you clicked sell, it cooked you, then you click buy, it cooked you, then you click sell, it cooks you, then you don't know where the market is gonna go. It's like if you were sure that we're coming down to London low and Asia low, and you kept trying to short and you were getting chopped up, that's different. Now it's a matter of you're not being patient. But if you're clicking sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, you're not trading. You're pretty much gambling, brother. I'm not trying to put you on the spot. Oh my God, NASDAQ. We might get clipped here. I'm watching this 3-minute here for an inversion. If this 3-minute here gets inverse to the downside, I'm getting out of this. What is going on? This is a great trade. But I'm not break even yet, guys. I'm not break even. I'll take the tiny L. If this 3-minute inverse is here, we're cooked. Actually, let's do 5-minute. This 5-minute. This 5-minute inverses were cooked. The buys make sense though. It's just market open might come cook us before going. You know how that goes. Gold is ping-ponging. Don't touch this, please. You said gold finally gave us a sweep, but what was this? This was also a sweep. It's just ping-ponging back and forth. While NQ is freaking dumping. Oh my God. I'm about to cut this if this shit doesn't freaking reverse like now. Like now. Like come give a CISD here or something. We did wait for an IFEG. Why you don't wait for IFEG? We did. Oh, gold. You're talking about gold? What IFEG? This is the 5-minute time frame. What is like what IFEG? This is chop. This is chop. Just wait. Let's break out of this. If like the only sells I'm looking to take on gold now is this. I'm not trading in this range anymore. This is all chop. Don't get cooked up on that. Instead, we're getting cooked on NQ, but at least it's not chop. Like if this loses, it's just a losing trade. It's not chop. Good girl. Oh man. Ah. Look at how many times it chopped around before finally coming down. And then you don't even know if it's still done. It might still go back up. We're in drawdown. Waiting for a sweep on gold. Yeah, all the way down here. If this is AMD to the downside on gold, longs will be nice. After accumulation here, then it has to manipulate here and then higher. Not really Asia low. It should go past Asia low to these lows. Because if it just does Asia low, that's just, it's still in the range. Like it didn't break out of the range. I'm not in on gold. I'm losing right now on NQ. I'm losing on NQ right now. And I am about to cut this really quickly. I have to see the way this 3-minute acts, because I am about to cut this. If it doesn't do what I need it to do in the next few seconds. The 5-minute closed extremely bearish. Like it needs to do something like now. There we go. Like you need to keep, like you need to like flip, this candle needs to like flip bullish for me to become a little more comfortable. Okay. This 3-minute closes like this. It's not looking. There we go. There we go. This setup looks so cooked. We're right by market open. Oh my goodness. This is gonna sweep us out for sure during market open. So if this 3 minute doesn't show anything good, I think it'll be best to just cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Watching 4 minute. Keep missing the 4 minute. Oh, 4 minute, yeah. If it's CISDs as well, so horrible. And it's CISD too. Damn. Like this has like, if this starts printing lower, I'm like ready to like call it. Move my stop loss over here. If this starts trading lower, I'm done with this. I'm ready to call it. There's the retest of the IFEG. If it starts trading lower, it's cooked. There we go. That's better. That's a lot better. Thank you. Can you hold? A push is nice, but can you hold the push? See, you're not holding. Can you hold? See, that's not good. Hold. The 1 minute looks like it's about to literally destroy us. I move my stop loss up here. Now, oh, let's make it here. Yeah. So if this candle flips bearish from this IFEG, our loss would be cut. I don't want to play with NASDAQ like that. I think today's a choppy day. I think today's going to be a losing day. Look at gold. Gold is playing around. Look at this on gold. Gold is playing too much. Look at this. This is disgusting. What's ES doing? ES is going a little lower. NASDAQ, do you really want this trade to lose? I think it'll do a resweep and then it'll go higher. Especially since market's about to open. I think that's what it's about to do. Yeah, market open will do the sweep. Come on, just tag me out. Stop loss. Tag me out. You're gonna short? Why? I want market open to, if market open can come and give me these highs, that's like beautiful. But it looks like it'll just take these lows. Because I think I think NQ longs today. I really do. So if we get stopped out, I am willing to try one more time. And once that loses, I'm done for the day. I am willing to try one more time if we get stopped out here. Learn my lesson. No pre-market trades. They never work. No pre-market trades on NQ. They don't work. Unless God wants to make today the day it works. I don't mind that. I'll be happy with that. Can today be the first day pre-market trade works? I'll be happy with that. You shorted on NQ? That's really good. As long as you know it's temporary. If price can start trading above my entry, I might just move to break even on market open. I'm still holding this. My stop loss is right here. Looking for buy or sell on gold. What do you see on gold? Gold, what do you see? Looking at this, what do you see? Does this look like it's buying or selling? Or does it look like a complete, utter chop fest? I see a bunch of accumulation here. We could get SMT here at these lows. But I'm definitely still in this. Can we trade above this before market opens so I can like get out? Regardless, I'm not gonna hold this through market open. Wherever it is, 1 second before market open, I'm selling it. If we haven't hit stop loss yet. Yeah, horrible PA, especially on gold. Especially on, oh my god, gold looks disgusting. Hey, don't trade this until it breaks out. Like, don't trade this until gold breaks out somewhere. Like, please, like, ignore gold. NQ, yes. Thank you. Thank you, NQ. So market open can actually just take out these lows, and that's it. Keep pushing, girl. Keep going, girl. my goodness, I gotta use the restroom again. Shit, me. This. Okay, yeah, we're getting clipped now. We're getting clipped. Like these are all. What's ES doing? Okay, ES took the low. Shouldn't we be good? That's SMT, ain't it? This horrible PA, bro. I'm not holding through market open. So if I haven't been stopped out before market open, I'm gonna get out. This guy just asked me what cars do I have. Check weekly. I know there's a, oh damn, there's a weekly FEG right there. Oh shit. But how far is that? Oh yeah, we're clipped. Yeah, we got clipped. Oh, actually, there's still a few cons in here. Clipped. Barcode ass PA. Barcode ass PA. NASDAQ, I hate you, NASDAQ. You suck, NASDAQ. And I'm out. You suck, NASDAQ. Okay, let's wait till market open, see what we get. But a sweep already happened pre-market open already. Again. I'm still like, I'll still long this if we get a good one. That candle I drew. On NASDAQ, this low here is the weekly FEG. But if you look on ES, we've already tapped that weekly FEG on ES. We're already in it. And ES is extremely bullish. So it's like, we should start getting a reaction. It's a huge SMT. That's why I'm looking to take the long on NASDAQ and not really ES. Yeah, NQ cooked us, but it's okay. I'm looking for a re-entry after market open. See if we can get some type of re-entry. No, don't take that. Don't take this, guys. Oh my God, this barcode ass price action on gold. Keep getting manipulated. This is gonna piss me off if this runs to TP before market open. Hold on, be patient. I think this is manipulating you a second time. Market open will take you out. Unless it just pumps, that'll really suck. But I think market open will cook y'all again if we get in on this right now. We should wait till market open for sure. Like for sure. Got 1 more minute to market open. What's gold doing? Nothing. Not a damn thing. Not a damn thing. Oh my God. Gold looks atrocious. Okay. Market's about to open in 20 seconds. Give us another sweep. There we go. Are you going to keep dumping? Come on. If this flips, I'm willing to... Okay, hold on. We got to be patient here. Oh my God. This is leaving without us. Maybe we get some type of pullback or something. Nah. Hey, longs here are valid. If we get some type of pullback, it's valid. Fucking God, NASDAQ. The fuck happened? Oh my fucking God, NASDAQ. Some bullshit. Hate trading market open. Gold is cooking? No, this is all just like Oh yeah, it is cooking. But this 1 minute is too big. Nasdaq, I wanted to long. Um, Nasdaq, I wanted to long. So wait here. We're getting manipulated. Holy shit, we are. Oh, what's wrong with my freaking session, bro? Come on. Hold on, guys. Experiencing some technical difficulties here. What the fuck is niggas talking about? Hold on, I got logged out of my broker. What the fuck is this shit talking about? Log me in, log me back in. We're not missing anything right now, though. Thank you. Okay, we're in. What's gold doing? This wick is ridiculous. I'm not. There's nothing here, guys. Is Nasdaq really wants to short to this weekly FEG? ES isn't taking out the London low. Nasdaq is. So technically ES is the more bullish pair. SMT here with market open lows. SMT here with market open lows. I think longs is about to cook. I think longs here is about to cook if it inverses. Yep. Let it inverse and I think it cooks. Let it inverse and I think it cooks. No, it didn't inverse. See, that's why I gotta wait. It didn't inverse. It did not inverse. Did not inverse. No inverse. No inverse. No inverse. Abort. 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 But just know though, if longs play out, everybody's stopped out. It stopped them out. If longs play out, everybody's gone. If we can get an inverse up here, it'll be good. There we go. on NQ. So what I see on NQ right now is yeah, it looks like a whole bunch of wick, but regardless, we're still in this 4-hour gap, right? We technically still swept out this low. If you look on ES, ES is forming SMT with London low, and Q is also forming that same SMT right here. Also same SMT right here with London low. If I now look on the 2-minute time frame, we've manipulated to the upside and to the downside. And on the 1 minute, we're about to inverse this 1 minute IFEG right here. I think that original long setup that I had is about to play out. Boom, we're about to get an inversion, and then I'll take this again on NQ. Okay, last trade of the day. Last trade of the day. Last trade of the day, boys. If this loses, we're clipped. It's good. Longs on NQ. Longs on NQ. Valid right now. I wanted to take out this high. I actually wanted to go all the way up here to London session high, believe it or not. These are all low resistance liquidity right here just sitting. If we look on the 4-hour, that's pretty much it, retracing back into this 4-hour FEG here. I want gold to retrace, NQ to retrace all the way back up here. Excuse me. There can be somebody's break even. If y'all don't trust the setup, you can go break even at these highs or even at these highs, TP1, TP2. This trade's gonna hit. There we go. Hey, I've learned my lesson, guys. Never, ever, ever trade before market open on NQ. Because this is the same setup that we tried to take over here. We just got it a little bit later in the session. So next time, for example, for tomorrow and next time, we'll be patient. We just need to remember that. Never, ever, ever trade pre-market on NQ. Ever. Is this just going to start bullshitting? Guys, after TP1 here hits, I gotta get off. After TP1 here hits, I gotta get off. But this is a dub. I gave y'all one loss today and one dub. We took a first loss here. We're about to take a dub. Can TP1 get hit? Because I do gotta go right now. Some cleaners are about to come clean up in my house. So I gotta go. Come on, can I get TP1 before I go, please? Come on. Thank you. Can I get TP1? guys. No, I'm not giving up on it. Like, I'm gonna hold my position. I'm saying I gotta get off stream. Like, I gotta get off, like, here. I gotta go do other things. I'm holding my position all the way to London highs, brother. I'm holding, I'm holding my position all the way to London highs. But guys, I really do gotta go. So I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next stream tomorrow or Asia session tonight. All right, I'm gonna see y'all boys later. Peace.